How to enable admin approval on Messenger group chats. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable admin approval on Messenger group chats. Without further ado, let's get started. So make sure to watch this video from start to finish so you won't miss any step. So just open your Messenger application. And if you haven't, please update your Messenger application if it is not up to date. So just go to your App Store or Play Store and click on Update Messenger application. So this is the way to enable admin approval on Messenger group chats. So first, just go to the Chats tab right here. So we are already in our Chats page. After that, just choose any group chat that you have that you want to enable the admin approval feature. So I'm just going to click on one group chat right here. And after that, click on the group chat name so you will access the other settings. And just scroll down a bit, and under chat info, we have the option that is called member requests right here. So this is where you can toggle on or off the admin approval feature on your Messenger group chat. So if you toggle it on, it will require an admin to approve all requests to join the group chat. So this means that the admin will approve if they want to let a certain person inside the group chat, so that no one can easily just directly join your specific group chat. So to toggle it on, just click on the button at the side, and now you have enabled your admin approval on your Messenger group chat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.